Hey guys, welcome back. It's your girl Poochie, and I have another motherfucking video for you today. So today, your girl is chefing at the place, right? So I am going to be jerking some chicken back and chicken neck and some festival, the real Jamaican way, you know. So guys, I know a long time I not post nothing nice spoon, no? But today, but as I come with a look at normal Friday routine. Something, switch up something look nicer, something look spicier. Anyways, guys, yeah. So, I'm here with the girlie. Woo! And she's my assistant, and today we're gonna name her Assistant Weedy, okay? Assistant Weedy. So, guys, forward now with kitchen now. Forward now with kitchen because out the door with the in the rain. We name jerk in the rain. We name cook out the door in the rain. So anyways, people, make us show you what's going on. So you know, and then we have some festival we go bad up people. But that's on a so wagwan. So now the pins on them here. You have a few of them in it, so just do what we can do. Yo, people, me did a live on TikTok, you know. And just to say, you know, say, this will make a nice video. So my people, them, and you can see say the dolly them, not only dolly down, them check down, clean down, everything down a ground. Right there, so. Can't step and walk on them dolly, yeah. Them dolly are robots. Them can robot on the john, robot in the kitchen, robot out the door, robot in the workplace. So good to the dolly them. So any guys, I'll see you back in a few. So people, yeah, we're still in the process of doing all of the jerking and something, you know. But this is a mad girl, yeah, people. Watch it. I have an assistant chef. She's not assisting.
A lie. She's lying.
Alright, a little bit a lie. Some part a little bit a lie. Even my next assistant chef I do better. Do you see him, guys?
See how lie she be? See how lie she be?
Why? Listen. Uno see that pan camera. Uno see that pan camera. Wickedness can done. Anyway, guys, see you again. Bye. Yes, so guys, remember, this is Slimmer's Pretty Little Devil. Mrs. Broken on TikTok. When I give out the IG, remember to follow me on IG, JB_Nina, and remember to like,
share,
comment,
subscribe,
and hit that post notification bell. And
right this so.
Tell your friend for
Tell our friend,
our auntie,
our niece,
our cousin,
our uncle,
our grandmother.
wait, we forget grandfather.
All the man we share blood clot get the boy bone which you for tell.
Yeah.
Everybody stay over chill with Poochie TV.
Right this so.
Right, let's say you know for there.
Come over.
Be things going over here, sir.
Believe.
Yeah, the chef in the place. Guys, inside hot bad. In the kitchen, hot bad. Anyways, guys, this is the part of my reach now. So, I'm gonna make some festival show. Let's get down into it. I need it already and something because I start video late. So anyways, let's get down into it, guys.
Action.
So, I'm gonna do the festival them now. Anyway, I'm gonna try and come back, people. Okay. So guys, when sister night I come down from the thing you know, but so I go on here. You can lift up them out of the ground you know, you see me? We are deal with them yeah. You see me? She not come hold it and I could show them how the night shift work. You know when your kitchen a blaze up a 1, 2 same day, you know? Send out the one them which for the fire there. What kind? Not that kind. Me taste na ba take you and go back down a coin.
Papa Clark.
That take you work. You vanish. I see where excuse me chasing. Put that on. I'm going to put on it. Guys, see that? Bumbo cloud. We're in the kitchen. So guys, night catch roti and thing. And we just there to see we are going to do the right thing for a Friday. We might see it in the morning, but that is it, Not more we can do, not more. That Hey guys, see? Night catch blood clot outside. Come like devil's pit within right now. But guess what? We're still outside doing the jerky thing. So, This is what we done outside time, you see me? The last soldier them on the field. And them are portal out here now, you see me? The last soldier them me are portal out here now, you see it? So anyways guys, remember like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that post notification bell then. And no say, I just do some normal thing over here, you see me? Some normal thing and show how the badness come down. You see me? So guys, remember, say, to tell your friend. And make sure you tell her friend. And make sure you tell her auntie, cousin. Hey, let me not go prolong the thing, but I don't know if I do the badness already. Go outside. Out.